Hello friend, welcome to BRICS Embedded System tutorial. I am Rajiv, and in this tutorial actually we are going to learn about the working principle of TSOP and IR remote. Now just for reference we have selected a very simple remote. This is thin and small remote used for audio system in four-wheelers and other vehicles. Now you will find that on different remotes you are having different text on the different keys, but most of these remotes are used for same purpose and emit similar type of rays. Now we have selected this remote just because these remotes are easy to decode. Otherwise if you want you can also use a simple TV remote or DTH remote. Now, whenever we press any key from this remote, it actually emits a pulse of infrared light, which get received by the receiving device, and the task whichever is linked to that pulse get performed. Now, if we will have little closer look on the pulse emitted by this remote, we will find that this is not a single pulse. This is a combination of 33 small pulses. Now if we will have more closer look, we will find that out of these 33 pulses, some are a little thin and some are wide. Actually whenever you will press any button on key on the remote, it will emit a 33 pulse all the time. And but for different buttons the combination of these thin and thick pulses will be different. Now out of these pulses, all thin pulse represents 0 and all the thick pulse represents 1 except the first one. The first pulse is actually just for reference, and the second, third, fourth, all these pulses are actually a binary number. Now these 32 pulse or the 32 binary number represents 4 bytes. So actually whenever we press any key on these remotes, it actually emitting a 4 byte number. Now to receive these pulse on some receiving end, we actually need a device called TSOP. TSOP is a small sensor which sends these pulses and it convert it into electrical signal. On a TSOP remote you will find 3 pins. First pin is ground and second pin is VCC. You need to give a 5-volt power supply to run this sensor. It's very easy to recognize the first pin. Actually the first and second pin will be little closer and the third pin will be at little more distance from the central pin. So the third pin is actually the pin for output. Whenever it will receive a pulse, the output will be low, and whenever there is no pulse the output will be high. So whenever this remote will receive a bunch of 33 pulses, actually we will get a 33 electrical pulse from this output pin. Now to detect the number from this pulse, we need to connect this output pin to the external interrupt of microcontroller, and we need to write some code to detect the numbers. Those 4 numbers can be detected very easily using external interrupt and timer facility on your microcontroller. So in next tutorial we will learn how to write some program, a small program, to detect the numbers from these IR pulses. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please keep watching our tutorials to learn more about embedded system. Thank you.